Finally, finally, we finally have a summer movie. Thank you, James Gunn. So, the Suicide Squad, not to be confused with Suicide Squad that came out 5 years ago, this movie is actually not what it's like a somewhat of a sequel. It's more like another mission type of movie. And so we basically follow his team of ragtag bad people, criminals, and follow them as they go on to this mission, and as mayhem and murder and all a bunch of crazy stuff that we wanted to see in the first movie, and we got in this one with a little bit, well, not a little bit, with a lot of James Gunn type into this. So, quick opinion on the first movie. I actually kind of enjoyed the first movie the first time I saw it. Yeah, each time I watched the first Suicide Squad movie, like, nah, doesn't get to me. But there's some stuff that I do like about that movie. There are characters that are, pretty likable, and it is somewhat based on the source material, even though it's you definitely could see studio meddling. But in this one, no studio meddling. They let James Gunn be James Gunn. And so if you're a James Gunn fan, you're going to really like this movie. And I am one of them. I very enjoy James Gunn's movies. Mainly fact because that this dude cares. Like he actually write good characters. He actually make attention. And so, unlike the other reviews that I've so this movie has character arc. Unlike all the movies that I've reviewed lately, this movie has tension and where you care for these people. Unlike Fast and Furious, this movie actually, like by the end, our main characters are damaged, beaten, bruised, bloody. Unlike Black Widow, this movie takes its characters serious and actually make us care about them, even though they're criminals. It makes us care for most of them, unlike Snake Eyes. This is a perfect summer movie, and that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Finally. The summer's almost over, but we finally got an actual summer movie with a lot of fun, a lot of humor, very great build of characters, and a very well done movie. That's a blockbuster. That's meant to be, popcorn fun and all that, but still, James Gunn knows how to, like, he writes characters that you care for, that you root for. And it's not hard. I don't understand why other studios don't do this. It's not a hard thing. It's all you gotta do is make time for it. Even though I do feel like some of these characters could be more developed, but I'm not gonna. I welcome any character. If it's just one character, I welcome it. Like, finally, I actually did care for somebody by the end of this movie. What? So you telling me that you can make $1 billion franchise but make characters that are likable? Even though these characters aren't really that famous, they're like bottom of the barrel when it comes to DC characters? Whoa. That's weird. And so all around, great performance, great acting. Everybody likes this role. People like making the movie are having very much fun enjoying the movie. And also, it's very well done. But again, I have to give praise to James Gunn. I value the fact when a filmmaker takes the time to just sit down, let's learn about these characters, let's learn about the motivation, let's build tension, let's simple stuff that James Gunn has always done in every single one of his movies, even his earlier ones. Some other ones are exceptions, but the ones he directed all had that similar stuff with the Guardians of the Galaxy, also with his earlier films. Like, they all have that James Gunn cares about characters, and that's all I really wanted. And this movie gave that to me. And so that alone, this is already by far the best summer movie I've ever seen this summer so far. And I have to give praise to James Gunn. Like, that dude knows how to make characters. This movie is very enjoyable. It's a great movie to watch. I really recommend watching this. So I will just leave it like that. This movie is a really good movie. I had a great time. But do I think this movie is a perfect movie? And there are some stuff that I do find questionable about this movie. So I will make a spoiler review for this movie, and I will talk a little bit more, which I do think people will find interesting. So if you folks want to hear my overall opinion going into spoilers and certain things of the movie, please comment below. Like this video, share this video. It's very helpful. And so studios out there, like, take notes. That's all I ask for. I don't ask for anything much. There's a lot of stuff that I really would like to have. But other than that, just simple stuff like this is perfect enough for me. James Gunn, you are a master. I don't think you are a master, but like at the very least, you give character, arc, tension, and everything that I'm asking for. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I know James Gunn. James Gunn and I are great friends. We grew up together. But anyway, that's the review for now. It's a short and simple review. It's a great movie. Everyone else is giving it praise, even though it's not doing good in the box office because of reasons. But watch this movie. It's a great movie, and like I said, I actually do have a lot more stuff to talk about this movie, but it'll be more spoiler talk. So stay tuned to watch that one, and if there's like, let me know what do you guys think about this movie, and also what do you guys think about the first Suicide Squad movie? Do you like it? Do you not like it? And the same thing for this one. What will the changes you guys make, or anything in general, honestly? And that's basically all for now because we are out of here.